Currently, I'm using it right now, but I will unbox it to let you know how it looks like. This is how the item looks like. It's color lavender, the color that I wanted for myself. As you see, I'm wearing it right now, taking a video. Carmina decided to get 2 pieces of mic in case it gets low battery, or if someone else is with me that I will take a video with. Right now I'm not using a mic, but this is how it looks like, and this is the battery life. This is the receiver that you would plug to your phone. There is an iPhone and a C-type that you can use on the Android.
Look, I see them. They look, and they're...
Alam mo si Nanay 19, Ma'am Carmina? Ang lapit lang ng pupunta, ng daming kargada.
I know.
So that's why.
Field trip, Travis.
Grabe ang pawis namin. Hi, good morning.
Dapat kung mabakalit ka ano, sa may santolan lang, nag-good naman kayo.
Sino may birthday?
Happy birthday, Nay.
Birthday to you.
Ayan na.
But Travis looks like she's going on a field trip.
Go na.
Saan yung field trip mo?
Ha?
Saan ang field trip mo, Nay? Akala mo mag-field trip ng dalawa?
Siyempre, marami kaming dala eh.
Ganyan kami pag naglalakad, laging may mga kabubo.
Alam mo kung bakit madami? May panghilog sa'yo, may panghilog.
My goodness, talaga pag-ihirapan kami dito. Pero we can go up there later. Understandable
I
na.
thought you don't speak Tagalog, but
Yeah.
you're always saying,
Oh, Ma'am Carmina is hungry na. So,
hungry?
I think she's the one who's hungry. Because when I arrived, she asked me.
what do you want to eat? Sige.
Speak now.
Limit.
We
Limit.
have money already.
We have money already.
Yes.
Yes. Kahit ano, mag-order ako ng kahit ano.
Oo, burger, french fries, kanin. Basta ubusin mo na yan.
Yung pupusin ko to,
Oh, don't worry.
don't worry, we have
Yes.
lots of money.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Don't worry.
Ma'am Carmina wants a Jollibee, you know?
Hi!
Kalimutan mo yung gusto niya.
What again?
Yum burger meal.
Yeah. Or
Yum
maybe
burger
the
meal
drinks
with
is water or
fries
Coke.
and then regular Coke.
Fries and regular Coke. How about you?
The birthday girl.
Yes.
Happy
Birthday to what?
birthday to you.
Salamat. Salamat.
Salamin ko.
Thank you,
Sorry,
thank you.
madam. Sorry, madam.
Ang saya
Sorry,
naman.
madam, kasi alas 11.
Yes, I like
No,
that
no, no,
taste
no,
of
no,
the,
no.
of the,
We're going out inside the hotel. and
Malay
then
mo,
after-
makakita ka naman yan.
I like the
Wag na.
takoyaki.
Are you making lilihi?
Lihi agad, wala nga ano.
Wala kang
Wala
kabimbangan.
nga kabimbang. Diyos ko. Show the happiness, brings happiness to her because she's always stressed and stressed.
So many food here.
Where's the drinks?
Many food.
Yes.
He's still holding the drinks. So many food there.
Dahil si Sis Carmina Burger
Yes. Thank you.
Kasi gusto ko na
This
kaya
is my fries. And then this is the drink. This is spaghetti.
Tapos naman kay Vince.
So, yan naman yung ano.
Oh, kayo na lang
Yeah. And then this is all of us. We're all holding a cell phone because we're all vlogging. You're welcome.
Kaninong trip ito? Trip ni Jay?
You're welcome.
Don't ask, okay?
Join nyo?
We are just your sponsor.
Yeah. We are the...
This is our server. Okay, this is our peach mango pie, our fries, and this is my burger. And then they're eating chicken with spaghetti and rice and gravy. Just a real Pinoy.
This is your first time to eat this, like this, ma'am?
No, I eat Jollibee.
Ah, okay.
Oh, there. Here's our server. There.
Thank you, ma'am.
I don't need.
Hinawakan nyo na.
Di ba naman, inisay-isay ni Dur.
Ay, wala pala si sister.
No need.
Hindi, okay lang.
only-
dito. Yung ano dito, nanay.
Only for the cake. When I eat the cake.
Okay? Wala
Later.
tayong low.
Later. There's the cake, you guys.
Papahawak na lang
Okay.
natin kay nanay.
Yeah.
Gutom na kami. Time check.
Yes.
11.
It's okay.
There, look, it's volume there. Did you say?
Huwag mo naman sabihin ganyan.
I miss you, babes.
Plastic.
I miss you, babes. Do you know that?
Yeah.
I miss you so much. So I'm here for you.
Yeah, really.
There.
Kasi po kami.
Kumain ka na.
Let's eat now.
Oh, wait, let's eat.
So what are you craving for?
I'm craving for takoyaki.
Kuya.
Takoyaki and ice cream. Dairy.
Ice cream.
Mamaya na. Diba ba tayo mag-part 2 na kain? Ano lang to, breakfast lang to, babes.
When we eat
Merienda, babes.
merienda. But this merienda, there's cake here. There's a pie there
Kape na
too.
lang kailangan yan, babes.
Cake, there's a
Nagkape ako
pie.
sa sa Golden. Nagkape ako dun.
Oh, kape na lang kailangan ng cake. Takoyaki.
Kasi hindi naman ako talaga. Sinadya ko hindi magkape doon sa condo kanina.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Siya na lang mag-video.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Happy birthday to you.
Kaya magmahal ang mga kaibigan.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. Kunwari blue, Nay. Kasi walang kabila na eh.
I will tell you
We have to pretend.
I have something for you. Di ba 466 dapat natin?
We have to use French fries.
Ilan ba?
Okay na yan.
64.
More pa.
6. Mari, imagination mo na lang yun.
That is your candle.
Okay, blow.
There.
One,
There.
two,
3. You blow. There.
Tama din yun.
There. There. There.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Birthday. Here's your gift.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sis Carmina.
You're welcome. Yeah, you can open it now. You can open your gift now.
Wow.
Daming camera, artist ka ngayon. What's that? Wow.
Iwag-wag mo na. Iwag-wag mo. Uy, wag. Saan ka pumunta sa cake? Wow, jacket for the winner. Magkakaroon na tayo ng
Pupunta na kami sa Baguio.
Uy, matutuloy na yung bagyo.
Hindi pa sigurado eh.
Oh,
Ay, hood. Ang ganda may hood.
there's something else inside.
There's something else para talaga.
Inside. Nanay, baka may dolar. May dolar.
May
Yan.
ayun.
There's something else inside.
There's something else inside now.
Yes. Yeah.
Iyak. Dapat may teary eye. It is scripted.
Wala, ayaw ko nang umiyak. Oo, iyak na ako eh.
Kaya nga.
Tara, it's hard to open. It's hard to open.
Ayaw.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go.
Yan parang kailangan mo tanggal.
So when you travel,
When you travel, talagang ay, mas. Sasakay ka na yung plano.
O, hindi naman na. Hindi lang naman.
Malay mo.
Diba?
Maganda. Maganda mo siya.
Gusto na akong pagandahin.
yeah.
Ano to, mas? Travel set.
When you
body
travel.
lotion.
Ayos.
Tama-tama. Pag
Tuloy na tayo.
Pang ano nga ito, pang aeroplano kasi may airplane.
Tuloy na tayo.
Why? When are you going to Baguio?
Uy, mayroon pa.
Yes, there's another one. There's something inside.
Go.
Remember, I was asking what's your birthstone?
Ano, goes.
Ano ba yan?
Sakto yung ano mo, ikaw mo si Green. Green din.
Yeah, because that's her birthstone is green. Look at the bag, it's
Kaya pala
green.
tinatanong ni Ma'am.
Salamat.
You're welcome.
Iiyak siya ba?
Why are you gonna cry?
Cry out loud.
Ito, Ma'am Carmina. Baka generous naman. Okay.
Here, babes, I have something for you. Yeah.
Wow.
Ito muna ka. Hindi pa tapos
Meron
yung
din
isa.
sa akin, oh. Wow. Ang cute ng bag. I like the butterfly.
O, ilagay daw. Ito yung kanyang gift.
Wow!
Mayaman ka na, Dadis. Ang dami mo nang kinikinta.
Wow, may bag na ako sa wakas. Oh, this is a couch or couch, no?
Mamaya na si Sister May na magtakit.
Oh yeah, because I asked your birthstone.
And
Yeah. Nanay will put it on you.
niloloko ko si Mong Carmina, emerald ako eh. Wow. Can you put on?
It has an extender if it's too long.
Mark, nahirapan ako dun sa bigay ni Sister May na hindi tayo dito sinuot.
What?
Very
Sabi
hard
ko
to-
sana dinala mo kasi sino ginaganon lang naman mo.
Thank you. I have a new pouch now.
Ano ba to?
I don't know how.
That's it.
That's easy.
Ang hirap naman. Itong assistant natin.
So if you want it shorter, there's like you can make it shorter.
Ako.
Ganito naman. Ang pautang naman, oh. Marami na kayo ano eh. Sandal.
So there's more.
That's for your oppo.
That is for ako.
Yes.
Oh. Let me see.
Okay. That's for her grandkids.
Ah, earring.
Earrings. Oh,
Makikay
ibig, makikay. Yeah, kasi tingnan mo pagka... Oh, paborito nila yun, smiley. Oh, ito mo yung piso. Oh, that's money. Oh, 5 peso.
Siyempre, mayroon pang ano yan. Pang pabari-bari.
Pangkape.
Bari-bari. Huwag mo gastusin yung fire.
Ito pang sleepy. Oh, thank
Sino
you.
sino ang tukin sa kanila?
Si Atara. And this one is...
It's like a protection, like when they go swimming,
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
so it doesn't get wet.
Kasi, so ma'am, ano kung cellphone? Wala siyang cellphone. Tablet.
Okay lang, anything.
Okay.
Anything
Or anything na stuff
basta on, ano, kung
that doesn't want to get wet.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much for the food.
Okay, next victim,
This one.
the one that's
I have
buntes.
already here, oh. Oh, pas tayo ng mga ano.
Yes.
Talagang pupunta tayo sa Baguio.
Or
Oh,
what
it's
are you
very
going
hard
to
to
do?
open this
You
one.
have to pull it, take it out. You have to remove it
Gusto mo ako na
first.
naman, taga-open mo.
Siyempre,
You
matanda
have to
na eh.
remove it.
Oh my God, masira pa yan.
Uy, ito na, ano.
Why? This is, no, open so much.
Uy, maganda. Oh.
Kailangan ng kandila mo.
I can,
Hindi, nakaano kasi, nakaano yung ano.
this one, ang
Nadadalak is, ano.
Yes. This is like when you go to the airplane.
The same with the,
Yes.
Pupunta talaga tayo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ay, parang, ano lang yun?
Yeah.
malay mo,
Mag-aano na ako.
pag maman si Ma'am Carmina, punta tayo ng grocery.
Where?
Ano, Jerusalem?
I haven't been there yet.
Passport ko.
I've never been there.
Ano trip to Jerusalem? Laro yun?
I've never been there.
Wala laro sila lang sa Jerusalem.
Why? Who lives there?
Nakarating na kayo, di ba?
No, I've never been there.
Sa Israel, gano'n.
Next victim is this one.
Thank you. Dan-dararan. Oh, the same as you.
Yes, all of you.
Kasi magpaano daw kami guys, magbabagyo kami, kailangan ng airplanes. Ay, nakalak talaga.
Tuloy mo.
That's what you call it's brand new.
Brand new.
Yes.
Yan, may hand and body lotion, double set. Then, hindi makatulog. Ang takot sa ilaw, liwan. And the airplanes. Ano yung isa? What's this?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
The brush and the toothpaste.
Yes.
Diba? Pwede na. Pasok tayo sa hotel. Mayroon ka nang gagamitin. Mayroon ng libre doon, dagdag mo na.
There's more. There's more inside.
Ano to? Pang matanda na tayo.
Well, yesterday you said you're in back pain.
What's that?
Because you complain about her back.
Dapat kay Travis to lang. Sabi na to sa akin kagabi.
Yeah.
Akala ko kasi Tiger Balm yung bilog. Yung para siyang big.
Ointment.
No.
Parang big. Ano to?
That's the one like,
Plaster lang ipagtas mo na.
yeah, like when you
Plaster
sleep.
yan, parang,
Yeah.
parang,
Alam mo, kaya ka
It's like salon pass.
ban-aid mo, parang
Yeah,
sa'yo.
yeah.
Ito kasi yung lagi narinig guys. Masakit ang likod ko, masakit ang balikat ko, masakit ang puso ko. Ano yun? Para saan yung, saan ang gamot ng puso?
Puso is loveless. You're loveless. That's why.
Pagano siya ng jowa. Pagano siya ng jowa.
Yeah. She's looking for a boyfriend.
Thank you. Thank you, Sister Mila.
You're
for,
welcome.
The patches.
There's still one more inside your bag.
Oh, meron po daw.
Meron ka ba?
Yeah.
Wow.
You see it?
Ay, alam niya na talaga yung pampaganda ko. Guys, eyeliner. And the birthstones in Asri.
Oh, mamaya
Yeah.
mag-picture tayo ng ganyan tayo.
Where's Asri? Ayan. It's a garnet. Kaya pala, tinatanong niya sa akin.
Ganyan tunan mo kami, Mang Carmina, ng ganyan. mamaya.
Parang iba ito. Iba yung stone.
Yeah, ibang store.
Because the stone is garnet.
Yes. It's your birthstone.
Mayaman na tayo. Kasi naninilaw tayo, guys. Ano ito ilagay mo din? Kasi hindi kaya. Ay, here na lang. And the eyeliner. Kilala talaga ako.
Eyebrow. Because in your life, you said you don't want any clothes because you buy ukay-ukay. So you just want makeup.
I have lots of clothes. Bukay. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko marunong.
You're having a hard time.
Hard time.
I cannot open. Madulas kasi kung may kwet.
Okay. Hindi ka lang tayo marunong.
Oh,
Ano
here.
may ngay?
She will do it for her.
Binibis ko mo.
Yeah.
Mang Carmina, take a
You're
picture.
welcome.
Yes!
Patalisin mo yung ano. Yung, ano mo muna.
Oh, because she has so many
Para pure.
bracelets.
Yan yung dalawa. Hindi ko dala yan.
Nanay, alisin mo yan.
Hindi, bigay
Dalawa yan eh.
Ano ba?
Oh, yun yung una.
Yeah, that's the first one.
Hindi ko dala yan.
Yeah, that's the first one. See,
Yes.
they're wearing their bracelet.
This is one.
See,
I cannot,
Thank you so much.
you're welcome.
thank you.
They will
Mang
take the
Carmina.
picture.
This is from the heart of Sister Luna Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Birthstone. Ano yung birthstone to, Mang Carmina? Ano yun? Si Tirisi?
Yes.
Bakit ang si Teresel?
That's medicine. That's not the one.
This is garnet. Ito.
Well, because her birthday is in November.
Kasi November, ang basa ka doon, nakuha ko talaga kayo eh. Si Tirisi ba yun?
Si Teresel.
Kasi di ba, si,
Yes.
what's that? What? Citrin?
Yeah, citrus.
Ah, okay. Kaya
Yeah.
sabi ko, si Tirisi.
Naging gamot yan. Naging
Became allergy medicine.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma'am Carmina.
Ayan o. Hati kayo.
Hati-hati.
Siyempre, madami yan. Walo yan eh. Hati-hati kayo.
Paano namin tahaki itong
Oh, it's okay. I have wipes.
Hindi, hati kayo ni Travis ko. Ano, Mrs. Bigyan ko rin kahit isa si Ate Sis Carmina para galing din sa
Oo nga naman.
Hindi, maganda po nursing wife pag tumihit kayo.
Okay, okay. Sige, sige.
Yan.
Okay.
Hatiin lang.
Wait lang.
Hatiin kasi. Ang tagal.
I cut properly. Okay, don't worry.
I have accessory here.
Ay, may season din pala siya. O sige, may season din sana. Tayo ko plate. Baka may continue pa ito.
Yeah, for the cake.
I have a scissor here.
Oh, I have a scissor here.
Ang laki ng iyo.
Oh.
Sabi ko, wala akong mabitbit na ito na lang.
Kasi kailangan ko every time natin mag-travel ko. Yung pagkain ng mga
Maganda
bata.
pa ang klase ng wipes.
Mahirapan ako.
Bitin nyo lang. Cold lang.
Okay.
Ayan no, cold lang. Hati-hati
Thank
mo
you
na.
po.
Maganda yan.
Parang sabon yan ah.
This is for you, ma'am.
Hati na lang tayo, guys.
Okay.
With love yan, with love.
There.
This for me. And
This
this for
one it
one.
looks
Oh, yes. Good night. Tatlo lang sa'yo ha, kasi medyo pag-ubaya ka sa bata-bata ha.
This is how it
Tapos
looks
si Ma'am
like,
Carmina.
guys.
This is for
Because
Sister
you're-
Rina.
Wow.
Wow.
Wait, open it ma'am. Ay, ako naman kukuha sa'yo Ma'am Carmina.
Ang ganda ng
Wow.
That's for you. Wherever you are. Dala-dala mo yung key.
Wow. Okay.
Kay ng ano, susi ng bahay.
Lagyan mo ng key para hindi magasgas na yung phone.
Okay.
Yan.
That one. Oy, magkano yan?
Mura lang.
There, earring.
Kunin mo naman yung mukha niya.
Earring. See?
That's a girl.
Hindi muna, alam mo naman lahat ng
Ay,
bagay
ito,
na
ate.
Gift.
Kaya lang hindi yata to. Kaya nga sabi ko kasi nung isang araw,
Ayan,
nagreklamo siya sa
kailangan
nagreklamo siya sa glass yung nalalaglag. Ipakita mo yung glass mo nga na nakatali.
One.
Parang gusto mo rin to, humingi ka na.
What's that?
Yung paano siya sa Oh. Ay! Maganda yan. Lagay mo na sa sarili mo.
Huwag nasa ka na lang, may binabagayin dyan sa damit.
Oo.
Thank you.
Let me see. What
You're
is
so
it?
thoughtful din.
Can I see it?
Mahilig ka sa lahas.
Okay. Nice.
Ito sa'yo, Travis. Air plug. Tawag dito pag ipakita mo, tinanggal niya yung tali ng ano niya. Yung
Ah, the one for her glasses.
Alam ko tatanggalin ko yun. Natatanggal ko yan.
Thank you, thank you.
Yan, nakakulit.
Hey!
Yan, naputol na ito dati, pinagawa ulit.
Ito kasi nakasangga talaga siya sa air. Yan kasi hindi ko tumutulan.
Okay.
Thank you for the gift.
Mahilig yan sa dangmin. Kasi Travis, mahilig sa dangmin.
Ma'am Carmina,
Yeah.
already put
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, walang problema para sa lagayan kasi
Yeah.
may lagayan tayo. Pero ako niyan sa bahay,
Let's see. That's something else.
I will love suot na.
Ano, okay lang din naman.
Oh, don't worry.
Wow.
Sabi mo, dress. Hindi ko alam kung kasha.
No wonder why her bag is heavy.
Hindi ko alam kung kasha, babes.
Kasi yan, kasi ano siya, alam mo sa tingin ko last. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi stretchable siya.
Yes.
Maluwag sa
Pagka
akin.
magaya na isusuot ko tomorrow pag nag-vlog ako.
Ayan, maganda
And then,
yan.
I will cover this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sabi mo kayo.
There's a,
Hindi, bagay
there's a CR there. Ayan.
Tapos the jacket. Kasi ba? Bukal siya. Maluwag din.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Oo, kasi, hayaan mo, i-ano ko, tawag mo, ipag-vlog ko habang
Yeah.
nag-dress. Habang nag-dress ako. Okay.
Maganda yung jacket kasi. Alam ko magugustuhan mo.
Oh, nahilig ako sa jacket. Mabuti, hindi mo ako nakita naka-jacket.
Sige mo na lang ito kala.
Wow! You're so thoughtful. My goodness.
Isang pa talaga sir. Sige mo na lang kayo.
Thank you. Ayan.
Okay, that's
Meron
it.
pa?
Wala na.
Kaya pala mo mabigat.
That's why. She brought the whole house.
I bought my house.
Mahilig si Big sa ganyan.
Palagi ka na pala lamigin sa loob sa hall.
Oh, there. Pose, pose.
Ito na si Vilma. Alam mo yung, ano sa? Letter B.
There.
B.O.P.
Pangalan talaga niya Vilma.
Oo, alam na ni Mama.
Ay, alam mo na?
Yes, yes, I asked her. Okay, this one's gonna tie on the back.
Nagkakao ko.
Ay, yung damit. Palitan mo na rin.
Yay, malamig.
Susuntok ko lang.
Palitan mo sa kanya.
Parang gusto niya napasok talaga sa akin.
Punta na ako sa Baguio.
Yeah, you can go to Baguio wearing the
Nadala na niya may
jacket.
gold.
Punta na siya Baguio kay Arvin.
Hindi naman nakampun ko doon.
Wait,
Alam mo,
time,
pumasok si Arvin.
Oh,
Last time sa akin.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Sabi
There.
sa'yo.
Pumasok si Arvin. Sabi ko, are you in the Philippines right now? So, walis na siya. Si Arvin.
Oh, see? Ready na. Ready.
Wala siya silapi. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hindi na siya lalamig.
It's cake time now.
Yung pink one.
Nanay.
Oh, saan ko kayo ilalagay?
Sa'yo. Sa'yo.
No, malagyan sa
Ah, sa'yo
akin.
muna.
It's yours.
Pero, are you sure that that is a very big? Baka hindi mo maubos. Make it sure.
Busog pa nga ako eh.
Oh, no, like, you cut like that. No, yeah.
Anakos na.
She don't understand me. My goodness.
Ayun na natin na ano. Kasi baka malaglag.
Happy birthday, Nay.
Yes. Wow.
Ako parang,
That's big.
parang ngayon lang natin ano
Okay. I will slice my own cake.
You slice me like that.
Like that.
Wow, so big.
Kumuha ka na sarili mo. Kanya-kanyang buhay to, oy.
I have my own life and
Oh.
I do the rest.
Yan.
Okay. If you say so.
Yes.
O yung diet mo.
It's okay. Oh, today's a cheat day.
Today is my cheat day.
Yes.
At hinahanap ko yung ribbon. Hindi sa, alam kasi ang,
Hindi ko matamis
di ba
masyado.
paborito mo, ano? Forest ba yun?
Oh.
Yung forest, parehas tayo ng
Matamis
taste.
masyado ang coke.
Ah,
This is mine.
Exit, kunti lang talaga sa'yo.
Oh, kasi I ate too much now. Very sweet. Kasi yesterday, I ate all the,
Bakit Dave, diabetes ka ba?
hindi naman. Kaya lang pag nasosobra naman.
okay, I'll get my cake now. Okay, we just had lunch here at Jollibee. There's a birthday celebrant. It's Jollibee. Now we go here with babes. Yeah.
Welcome to the vlog.
Yes. Morning. Afternoon. Okay, this is the Jollibee that we went to earlier.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah, I got to hold on. Okay, we're in the area in Sparks Place. They're up there. Okay. And we're gonna go to the escalator
For a
then.
while.
Yes, that's fine. Yes, that's okay. Okay, going up.
Parang nita-invite ka na. Invite.
Okay.
Ito pa yung kumain dito.
All right. Okay, this is the facility, how it looks like here at Spark.
Wala naman, wala naman.
Ay, amoy siomay. Pabaliktad pa lang.
So, may trabaho.
Gusto ko kumain ng siomay. Alam mo, Meway.
Pagkain lang.
Go here. She will bring us to our best friend.
Yeah.
Our best friend is the restroom.
This is the restroom.
But right now, the best friend of Travis is the restroom. So you go to the restroom first. We're done at the restroom.
So, 12:50, so have 1 hour to go pa. Ay, okay lang naman po tayo maliit po.
Okay lang yan, babe. Sinisa lang tayo.
Yeah.
How many months kasi na yung last, natin pick up natin yun?
Oh, paano pa? Ano na?
Hindi, Gadelia.
Ano no?
Gadelia.
Ate Delia pa.
Kailan yan? Kailan ba yun?
The last time?
Okay, like the last time they saw each other.
Hindi naman ako nakasama eh.
Sama ka ba? Hindi ako.
Sama ka na?
Means, first time meeting
Ay,
the
oo.
babes.
Hindi ako malis sa walang kasama.
Oo nga pala.
Hindi ako malis.
They have their senior moments when they don't remember.
Si Jana? Ha? Ay, ang malis.
So we'll proceed back inside.
O, babes, dito na.
There. Wow. So we are here at Y Rock
Dito na ba ito hinuwi?
area. It's the area.
Ano, Miss? Wala, may mabilis lang tayo ng ano. Tanggalin na natin sa...
Okay, let's go here now.
Wala kalala sa...
We are leaving. We're gonna tour them around.
Problema dito. Ito yung escalator ng buwan.
Okay, we're gonna proceed here.
Pisil ko na sa tagilan kami.
Kano ba yun?
Upstairs. Downstairs first. Straight ahead. It's raining now outside, so we have to put our jacket on. We don't want to get sick. There's someone is craving for food, so we will bring them there. Walk around first. We are walking toward SM. On the area. There's Ali Mall. SM.
Let's go to SM Arena.
Okay. I go inside SM. Okay, go inside SM.
Yung ibis.
Okay. All right. She's our tour guide today. We are now at SM. Oh, the escalator is not working there.
Hey! Hurry up!
No more escalator. Here. Here's my other vlogger there.
I'm
Taking video. Yes. Hello. Hello.
We're inside the mall.
Yes. We are at the SM. And Babes is our tour guide. Show us the area. There's sunglasses. Watches.
Kailan ako?
The area. Okay. We're gonna walk to.
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
And we're going out inside. And ibis.
And we're gonna keep walking, guys. There's the ones.
Okay lang sa inyo, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm okay. I don't know about them. If they can walk. The Novotel. She said that her church used to be at a long time ago.
Pag hindi available sa hotel, saan naman? Ito na rin, 19, ito rin yung ano, pwede ka dito rin dumaan. O, ayan o, dito tumbok na yun, tapos gaganyan ka lang.
Alam na namin, sunod.
Saan kayo bumaba?
Yan, doon pa kami. Galing sa Jollibee natin. Doon sa
Lalakad din namin to. Magpupunta kami ng Sparkles.
Ah, okay. They also go here.
Mag-exercise tayo.
Yes,
Oo, look at my tummy, so big now.
it's okay. You can lose it. Or there's hop for a lucky ride. There, look, they have
Oh, yung
that.
kurag. Ano na, matanda.
Okay, watch out for the staircase. It's raining outside again. Rain is very important.
Bahala lang kayo. Basta ako, yun na lang. Hindi na ako mag-ano. Mag-details. Pero ako lang ito. Matawid tayo ha.
We're gonna cross the street now. Let's go to the crosswalk.
Ito yung ano?
And Arnetta. Okay, watch our step.
Bakit?
WW, XS. I XSS.
Let's cross the street.
Walang ka-holding hands, no?
Walking while holding hands.
Okay, I will just pass by. There's cars there. To walk fast.
Uy, kuda, ano, lagyan ko sa bahay. Kailan ako nakapaglakad na naman ng ganito, makarami.
Oh, really? Oh, there.
Yeah, not raining anymore. Tabakin, kusina. Diba?
Yeah.
Always eating after the...
We are now at Gateway Mall. We're gonna show them around. Because there's someone making lilihe. You know, it's craving. She's buntes. The senior is craving for food. So that's a joke. When someone is craving for food, Carmina teaches them if they are pregnant. Yeah.
You eat that, ma'am?
No, I don't eat that. I'm full. I'm not gonna eat anymore.
Ibig sabihin, you eat that kind of food?
No.
That is sweet.
Nah, I don't eat that. There's certain food Carmina doesn't eat.
Allergy back.
They have allergy reaction. So we will go inside. Then we will go to
Are you
Gateway.
tired, mga girls?
Are you tired?
Yes,
You are?
very tired.
Okay.
Alam mo nanay, iisip mo yan dahil sa takoyaki.
Yeah, you're sacrificing. You're sacrificing all three of us. Just because you're craving for food.
Ayan mo, pwede nyo.
Stuff going here right now. Activity.
Sa holiday, wala pera lang kaya.
At Gateway Tower. We'll go to the food court in the area. Have you been to
Can go there.
Wala pa si... Ah?
Bililingon ko kanina, wala.
Our Sama's missing. Where is she? Oh, there I see her. Diyan na siya.
Ang layo ng agbot eh. Kala namin, wala ka na eh.
There.
Wala namang malalak na
Yeah, she's on live. Live streaming. Live streaming. Yeah.
Mago. Nakapasok ako sa'yo, Mago? Mago. Magno.
She's live streaming there. And already, it's upstairs. If we go upstairs at the food court. So we are here at Gateway. Okay, we're going to the Food Express here at Gateway.
This is my, yung steak na yan.
Ah, okay.
Ito yung tinaway mga CR.
Okay, we're at the food court. Look, so many people. Oh, here. When someone is craving for food, we have to make their wish and bring them there.
You want it?
No, I'm full. I'm full already. I'm not hungry anymore. This is
Saan mo nabili yun?
okay. Got a place to sit. Good luck to us if we can find a place to sit.
Doon po kami ang isa.
Ah, okay.
Kasi maramihan eh.
Ah,
Sali doon kami.
okay.
Dito. Galing tayo doon.
There. She's craving for, guys. And this is what they serve. Okay, this is what she's craving for. That kind of stuff here. It looks like that's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. What they're putting in there. Living is what they have for 140 pesos. Guys, change color. It's pretty neat. Here inside.
Tiger Balm, sabi ko. I want kinotis the lip balm. The Tiger Balm.
There, this is lip balm. It's for 100 pesos. Products, guys. The area looks like. Yeah. Here. Oh, stuff for the hair. Making everyday living brighter.
Maribili naman tayo. This is what I buy.
What's that?
This is cotton.
Cotton pads. I hear this for like when you travel. That's what you would be using.
Beauty in the beach.
Yeah. What do they have here? Oh, nail file. A emery board. Nail polish too. Okay. They will go to a different section. See what they have here. For the little kids. The bubbles. And for infants. Oh, pet toys. Look, for the people who have a dog. This is the items that they have. There. There, guys. Different.
Parang ang sarap sa nutrition man to.
Yeah.
So many colors there. Look. There. Let's look around here. So many. So many stuff here. There. Oh, this Tupperware. If you're gonna organize your home, look at what it looks like. London. Sure, guys. Pots here and pans for your cooking needs. Glasses here. Get this one.
Pang ano ng mga high blood. Para
Kaya
pagka
nga, may
yung
remembrance
high
ka
blood.
sa ano? Sa Cubao.
We're gonna separate from each other. Yes, Babes is gonna go in church now. And the other two is gonna go take the MRT. You're welcome. See you again. Okay.
Balik ka naman tayo sa lungga natin ito.
Bahala na kayo ha. Kung anong kaganapan yung apat
Yes.
ko.
Balik
Alright.
ka kami sa lungga namin ito.
So if you want to go somewhere, just go. Enjoy yourself. Masakit man isipin na tayo magkakalayo. I want to say goodbye everyone.
Okay.
Bye-bye, babes. Oy, dito
Bye.
tayo. Anong bye-bye, babes? Kala ko ipapaalam na.
Sumulat ka, Luis, ha?
Ha?
Sumulat ka.
Hindi na uso-sulat ngayon.
That's not uso.
Check na.
Mag-voice, what's that, video call?
Oh, voice message.
Oo nga, mag-GC pala
Yeah.
tayo. Basta yung size mo, size 7, 8.
Bakit saan ako pupunta?
7, 8.
38, 39, gano'n. Ha? Saan yung mag-stay? Sa malaki.
Ha?
Saan ka gusto mag-stay?
Kayo po
You're the one. You're the one
Sa
who's...
malapit na sa MRT.
That, is that gateway?
yung part nito. Baka yung part
Hindi, madali lang yun naman i-pick up to ng driver.
Ah, pero kailangan niya ng mga...
But I think with you is gateway. That's
Gateway
where the...
doon, sa malapit sa MRT.
Yeah, that's MRT.
Doon sa ano mo na sila.
Bring them to the
Kailangan
MRT.
para doon kami magtambay.
Saan?
Malapit sa MRT na.
MRT.
Pero madali kami. Kasi pag sa loob ng mall, naliligaw kami.
Ah, okay, so we just do from the
Mas gusto pa sa
outside.
labas minsan maghanapan eh.
Yeah.
Wala na mga po. Wala.
Hold on, I removed my jacket already.
Linda, it's winter.
I know it is. It's drizzling again.
It's raining.
Yeah, I need to wear my jacket. Wait. Okay, we are here on Gateway 2 now. They want to see the area. Oh, and then here is the Wanda, guys. Bye. Bye. Nice seeing you.
Hindi naman ako marunong mag-outro.
Yes, we'll have
Kaya
another
okay na.
outing again.
Salamat sa gift.
You're welcome.
Ingat sa pag-uwi.
All
Lalo
right.
kami kasi malayo pa.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching Carmina Lifestyle.